Okay, this section here should be done.
Okay.
I'm still working on getting the other stuff set. But there's probably some goat heads that I've missed because they're popping up all over the place.
I'm probably going to run down the path here to cut the grass down.
Okay, I have not had a chance to
Okay.
I was doing the sections that you would be doing. In other words, the sections over here you know, and, unfortunately I'm finding some spots that have a lot of goat heads, so I'm trying to pull those out because those are really tenacious and nasty and hard to get rid of.
Yep.
But my focus in here was mostly trying to get the solanum out, so try not to mash too many hollyhocks, but other than that, this should be pretty good in here. There's still, every time I turn around, I'm seeing more goat heads. I kind of wonder if the boys may have had some goat heads in their boots when they came in.
Possible.
Or whether this is just random pop-up, you know.
Probably random pop-up, Irene.
Because anytime you get any kind of stirring of the dirt, whether it's from walking or a little bit of water running down or anything else,
Right.
it'll bring up some new seeds. Anyway, so this section here should be pretty reasonable.
Yuck.
They like the mullein. They're hiding under the mullein. That's why I found one by the front doors, because I just pulled a bunch of those out.
We should hatch it and see what it is.
Sphinx moss.
Really?
Yeah.
Weird.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to turn that off and take it inside. It overheated once.
Oh, okay. I just turned it on for a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, I say it's done enough for now at least.
Yeah, there's only 2 more sections really to do. Then I have to go over the whole thing again because the grass is sticking up.
Quite a bit of big goat head plants in some of these areas here. So I was trying to very carefully get everything. I'm sure I didn't, but I know I got a bunch, so it's a start.